Welcome to AccuWeb.Cloud. Cloud Migration Explained, benefits, process, and how it works. It's the process of moving your business's digital assets, services, databases, and applications from on-premise infrastructure to the cloud. Think of it as relocating your data and operations to a more scalable, secure, and cost-efficient environment, the cloud. How does the cloud migration process work? First, migration strategy. Define goals and assess the current setup. Assess your organization's current infrastructure, applications, and data. Migration planning. Create a detailed migration plan with roles and timelines. Identify the tools, resources, and timelines required. Assign roles and responsibilities to the team members involved in the migration process. Data grouping. Organize data and apps based on dependencies. Categorize and group your data and applications based on their requirements and dependencies. Ensure compatibility with the target cloud environment. Extract data. Retrieve data from the source environment. Plan the extraction during low usage periods to minimize downtime and encrypt sensitive data for protection. This step prepares the data for transformation and migration. Transform data. Optimize data for the cloud. This may include reformatting, cleaning, or optimizing the data for compatibility and performance. The goal is to ensure seamless integration and functionality in the cloud. Load data. Transfer data securely to the cloud. This involves uploading and integrating the prepared data into the cloud storage or databases. Ensures data is ready for use in cloud applications and services. Validate data. Ensure data accuracy and performance. This step tests the data to ensure it matches the original, functions as expected in applications, and meets business requirements, addressing any errors before full migration. Adapt to change. Address issues and optimize processes. Involves adjusting the migration process to address any new requirements or issues during the validation phase, ensuring a smoother final migration. Legacy data migration. Stage older data migration and train teams. Legacy data migration moves old data to the cloud, ensuring compatibility and integration with new systems through testing and staging. In-flight migration. Complete migration with minimal downtime. This is the final step where the actual migration occurs. Data moves to the cloud with minimal downtime, followed by verification to ensure accuracy and functionality. Benefits of cloud migration. Better agility and flexibility. Clouds offer instant scalability, on-demand resources, and pay-as-you-go efficiency for seamless workload management. Better scalability. The cloud instantly provides extra resources for high-demand workloads, eliminating the need for new hardware procurement. Ability to innovate. Clouds let businesses test new designs and workloads risk-free without investing in local infrastructure. Mitigate local resource demands. Clouds reduce reliance on costly data centers by hosting non-critical workloads, delaying or eliminating the need for expansion. Long-term cost management. Clouds shift costs from large capital expenses to manageable hourly operational expenses, aiding budget control and forecasting. Better workload performance. Public clouds use regional data centers worldwide, reducing latency and improving performance while ensuring compliance with local regulations. Businesses that migrate to the cloud often experience faster innovation, improved performance, and better customer satisfaction. Visit our website now at AccuWeb.Cloud for top cloud hosting solutions. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe now for more updates.